So this is the new IBM API Management vNext Beta user interface. We start off in the catalogs view, and we can switch between kind of a column table view or a big icon view. A catalog is roughly equivalent to an environment in API Management version 4. So if we look in our Sandbox Catalog we've started off with, we should be able to see what we've got draft staged published in here. We can see if we've got any approvals we need to do. We can see if we have any developer organizations, and we can have a look at the settings. If we click on this burger menu icon here, then out pops our navigation. So we can see we've got the option to set some favorites up here. We can store some favorites. We'll have a list of our catalogs. At the moment we've just got the Sandbox. That's the only catalog we've got. If you want to start creating content in API management, we've got the compose section. So here we can compose APIs or products. The admin section allows us to do our setup for our provider organization. So we've got the ability to add users. Other people can log into this UI and create APIs products. We've got the ability to define roles, change the security settings, and do things for security for TLS. And then if in the organization section, if we're a member of more than one provider organization, then we'd be able to switch between the two of those. So the compose area is possibly the most interesting. So if we click on here, we'll be able to see a nice helpful hint that describes what we can do here. Effectively, we can create APIs and products. So in version 4, we used to create APIs and then we'd add those to plans, and then we'd publish the plans. In vNext, we can create APIs as before, but then we create products. Within products, we can have plans, and we can add the APIs to these plans, and then we publish the product. And the products will appear into a catalog, and that'll appear on the developer portal, and then people can sign up, search by product, sign up to use those products, and they'll get the APIs and a choice of which plan they want to use those APIs under. So there's a few other things to talk about in the new UI. As you've seen, there's a menu that slides out to the side. We can pin the menu as well, so that as we're flicking around, things aren't moving around. We can keep what we want to see right there, keep the menu right there. The other thing for the beta is this little feedback icon here. So if we click on here, while you're using the feedback, you can enter your impressions, a sad rating or a very happy rating. I'm sure it's going to be a happy rating, and you can send feedback to the team. I'm not sure who receives this data, but the development team get to see it, and your feedback's quite important to shape the future of the product. So please give us feedback as you're using the beta, as you're having thoughts, as you're loving things, as you're finding things you might want improved. Please give us that feedback.